These are two old jets
You don't.
from Oak Harbor Naval Station, Whidbey Island, Washington.
You might get into trouble here with
No
the
trouble,
snow.
sweetheart. There's a lot of snow.
Oh,
A lot.
can you make it?
Oh yeah, I can make it. You gotta remember I'm from Idaho. I'm used to driving in this stuff.
7, I guess, 7 inches.
7 inches here?
No, I don't know, but I would tell Silma.
Oh,
7 inches snow.
about 6 inches here. Yeah, we'll take a left here.
You got snowstorm last night, honey.
Yeah, to say the least. Is that Eric? Nope. There we go. Beautiful trees here, and the snowstorms are just so beautiful around here because of these trees.
Wow, it's like Christmas.
Oh yeah,
Time.
it really is.
It's like Christmas time.
It really is.
Honey, we might
It's
see.
beautiful. Sweetie, we're not gonna sink anywhere.
What are those apartments? Oh,
Apartments. Those are, I think they're old Navy units maybe. That's what they look like.
those are apartments?
Yeah,
Wow.
but I think they, like I say, I think they used to be old barracks for the Navy maybe. That's what they look like.
Why? Why siya? Siyang ko.
What's wrong, Sha?
Siyang ko. Ha?
Sha. Sha. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, what are you afraid of? I think she's afraid.
Anne, it's like she was talking.
Oh yeah, I know it.
Anne.
Beautiful winter wonderland, it really is. Just love it. I love snow.
I will call Selma and then I don't know what happened to the snow.
Bing is talking to her niece,
Ang mga
Deanne.
kuan. Ang mga
So we have quite a snowstorm
mga
here
kahoy ba
today.
ni? Di kanawa.
Oo, Pino?
Lagi.
Dili manunta. Dili manunta karon tig winter tino.
Lagi ambot mantinga ako sa kay karon pa man gyud ko nakakuan
I
aning
don't know if I should try.
winter diri.
Pagabi ko.
Kay di man ni mag-winter din he. Aw di man mag-snow, winter pero di mag-snow. Isn't it? That ever since I am here, this is
The only big snowstorm we've had since.
nag-snowstorm di ay.
We've
Di
only-
gabi.
Ati ay.
Gabi.
We've had snow, but never
Kuan,
not
tanawa
this much.
na kuan. Na dagat man is salty water,
Salt water.
salt water. Yeah, I was about to
That's
tell
from the
Dian,
that's from the
this is-
ocean. That's
This
called.
is lake. no,
this
it's not
is
a
from.
lake.
This is called the Puget Sound. It's an inlet from the ocean.
Pacific di nga ocean. Inlet siya ba? Nya di
Kuan ati
Mag-
ay.
mag-istorya ra gud ta sa kuan basig ug namoy kuan di mangutana ka nganong nitawag man ka kay nitawag ko no.
Oo,
Nako,
nya tapos mangutan gani ko kay galibog ko ba. Pila man ang kuhaunon dyan si ay 25.
Oh, 25.
Tanan total.
Oh. 25. Di ba ako man tong sulti dito wala ni Magi eh.
Naa nya nalibog man gugay una.
Lagi kay sige ko mali di oy perting yun.
Klaro daw eh.
Wa sige
Those
ko
are all
mali.
called.
Sige ko
They're
mali,
oak trees.
di
Oak
ba?
Harbor is named after these trees, but I don't remember what they're called. Oak tree or something like that.
Murag 25 pila ta.
Beautiful oak trees.
Ang mama nimo
Yeah.
basta ang kang mama pre na nimo 3 sigyod. 3 mil.
So, pila tanan jud ang total.
Mura og 29 sobra. Tanan.
Sige.
29 dis
Sige, sige.
murag 8. Di manggod ko ka istorya ka ng kuan. 29 unya 800. Murag sobra.
5 na lang, ba?
Ha? Unsaon?
5 na lang. 5 na lang ba? 5.
Say 5.
Dalawa na lang nato ni 5.
Bing,
5 pa.
8 times?
Bing.
Ha?
5 ba? 5.
Oh, i-type.
Show her what they're doing with this.
Sige.
Oh, he's got Valentine's balloons. Show her.
Di, na Valentine's balloon, no?
He's walking.
Oy, happy Valentine's sa inyo diha, di.
Happy Valentine's.
Valentine's
See?
Day. That's Valentine's balloon. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's, Deanne.
Di. Atar patanawan ta kaw garos ang kuan diha. Ano? Yan yung snow.
Now she's talking to her other sister.
It's the same there. Pero ani di man ani mag
Hi,
snow.
Selma.
Hi di. Hi si Roger.
I'm doing a film of our drive for our channel.
Are you driving?
I'm driving, yeah.
We have snow here, like last Sunday. I think Sunday, Monday.
You have a lot of snow over there,
Yeah.
Storm.
New York,
Snowstorm.
Long Island.
We have
Kung gabi,
always
kagabi wala man na ni. Kung gabi ga kuan. Ang tudadong masurong.
yeah, she said that we have icy tomorrow or I don't know.
Yeah, the ice always follows the snow.
Yeah, after the snow the ice.
Yeah.
Because it maga minus ng gabi. Ama frozen man yung snow. Kaya I don't want that experience in Switzerland. Bloody hell.
You want to say goodbye?
And then I had to go to work. I have to. Goodbye.
To being a lot of travels.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Asang makuang ka isang Bingala Travels ng kanal
Thank you for watching.
channel.
Bye.
You're welcome. Oh. Thank you for watching. Bye
Have a
bye.
good day. Bye.
Have a great time and stay safe.
God bless. This is our after dinner walk, Valentine's Day, and a lot of snow out here. The seagulls are waiting for Bing because they know that usually she feeds them. Saratoga Passage Marine Stewardship Area. Salmon, orcas. We've seen orca whales in these waters. Kind of wandering around here. All right. It's cold. Where's Bing? You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Huh?
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Snowy place here. Have to snow a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
This is
Thumbs
the
up. Thumbs up.
snow.
This is snow for all you guys in
Lots
the
of
Philippines.
snow.
This is what snow is like.
Lot of snow.
We had 7 inches here, and it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like ice.
Very cold.
Well, it is ice.
Cold.
It is ice. Okay. Bye.
But it's